Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add PDF in YouTube video description. In order to create a viewable link in a YouTube video description, the link needs to be set to public. This video will walk through the steps of uploading a document into a Google Drive and creating a shareable link that can be posted in the YouTube description. To create a viewable link in a YouTube video, you must first upload the file to your Google Drive. Open Google Drive and click New, and then click File Upload. Now, navigate to the file that you want to upload. After the file is uploaded, right-click on the file or tap on the Share to get the shareable link. Click on Restricted and then change the settings from to anyone with link. Copy link to copy the link to the clipboard. And finally, press the blue Done button to save the changes. Paste link in YouTube description. Now, go to your YouTube Studio and tap your video. And then on the description, paste link in YouTube description. Add a title, paste the link into the video description, and set the video visibility or viewing to public. And click Save. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.